Because this vaccination, Government of India has supplied to us free of cost.
But in private hospital, 250 rupees.
No,
Chance.
nothing of that sort. Nothing of that sort. Please don't get confused. When we said vaccination centers, be it private or be it government, because ultimately the manpower will be supplied by us. Let me just tell you, let me correct that statement. If Honorable Minister Health made like that, let me correct it. Nothing. If that is the case, because see, these people, this private institution, they themselves offered us willingly. It's not that we requested them, please provide your manpower, this, that. Otherwise, why should we? Why should we burden our people of the state? Why should we? So therefore, let me just correct. I will tell you, the vaccination drive is free of cost.